On a warm, sunlit morning by the sea, Tommy and Lily stumbled upon something extraordinary, an ancient treasure map. The salty breeze danced through their hair, and the thrill of adventure filled their hearts. They waved to playful dolphins, spotted distant islands with palm trees swaying in the wind, and felt the call of an untold journey. You've probably seen those magical kids animation videos online, millions of views, inspiring smiles, and yes, even earning creators a small fortune. Here's the thing, you can create videos just like that. No big studio, no fancy gear. And even if you've never made a video before, it's absolutely possible. Sounds exciting, right? Then stay with me, because in this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of creating beautiful animated kids stories from scratch, using free tools anyone can access. By the end, you'll have everything you need to bring your own magical stories to life. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and far more rewarding than you can imagine. 0.29分. The first thing you need is a good story. And we have the perfect tool to help with that, ChatGPT. This tool can quickly create a well-written story for you, making it easy to get started if you don't have ChatGPT. No worries, you can use Google Gemini, which works similarly and is free, so you won't need to pay anything upfront. Here's what you do. Go to ChatGPT in the text box type, or copy the first prompt from the video description. The prompt is generate 10 of the best kids story titles that are most popular among kids, featuring themes like adventure, magic animals, friendship, and learning. ChatGPT will then give you 10 popular story titles. Look through the titles and pick the one that suits your idea best. Once you've selected your title, copy it and paste it into the text box before clicking generate. Copy the second prompt and paste it in, and click generate. The second prompt is designed to make ChatGPT write a full story split into scenes. It also includes voiceover scripts that are simple and engaging for kids. Now, it's time to create image prompts for each scene. Copy the third prompt from the video description and paste it into the text box. Click generate. This prompt will help ChatGPT create detailed image descriptions for each scene of your story. It will ensure all the characters stay consistent across the scenes by providing clear descriptions. Once you have your story and image prompts ready, you're all set for the next step. But don't rush this process. A great story is what makes kids want to keep watching until the end. So take your time and make sure it's fun, filled with adventure, and easy for kids to follow. A well-crafted story will keep your audience coming back for more. Now that we have our scene prompts, let's create images using Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for generating high-quality images. Here's how to get started. Head over to Leonardo AI's website and sign in using your Google account. It's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the image generation section. Now copy the scene prompts we created earlier in ChatGPT and paste them into the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. When you're ready, click on the generate button. Leonardo will produce 4 unique images, each time giving you different versions to choose from. For example, when I created the first scene of our story, Leonardo AI quickly gave me a variety of cool and different images of that scene. If one wants to keep the same style for every image, Leonardo AI has a feature called the seed. Each generated image has a unique seed number, which you can copy and use later. This helps you maintain consistency and style across multiple images for bigger projects or multi-image stories. This is super handy. Once you've copied the seed, scroll to the advanced settings on the left and paste the seed number. This helps generate the remaining scene images with the same look and feel. However, before generating the images, make sure to double check that the character features are the same across all image prompts. If not, copy the character feature details and add them to the image prompts. This ensures character consistency throughout the story. Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens every day. For free, that's plenty to create several images without paying a dime. If you need more, their paid plans start as low as $10 per month. Perfect for anyone who needs more flexibility. Now that we've got our images, let's make them more exciting by turning them into dynamic 3D videos using Hailuo AI Minim Max. This tool makes it super easy to bring your images to life. And the best part is that as a new user, you get 3 days of unlimited access during this time. You can create as many videos as you want without any credit restrictions. So make the most of it. After signing up for Hayo AI, you'll see an option to upload an image. Simply click on this option and choose the image you want to work with from your device. Once you upload your image, you'll need to add a brief description or instructions about what you want the AI to do with the image. For example, you might ask it to animate certain parts or change colors after you submit your input. Hailuo AI will process the image and within a few minutes, turn it into a 3D animated video based on your instructions. Repeat this process for each of the images we generated using Leonardo AI. Once you're happy with the animations, download the videos during the 3-day free trial. There's no need to worry about limits. However, the free version will include a watermark, and to remove it, you'll need to switch to the premium version once all your images have been turned into short, 3D clips. The next step is to bring everything together using CapCut, a free and easy 2 hours video editing tool, perfect for beginners. First, upload all your 3D videos into CapCut and start placing them in the correct order scene by scene to make your video feel smoother. You can add transitions between scenes. This helps the story flow naturally and keeps your viewers engaged from start to finish for the voiceover. We'll use the ElevenLabs text-to-speech tool, which makes it super simple. Here's how: head to ElevenLabs, click on the text-to-speech option, and then copy the voiceover script we created with ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, and choose a voice from the drop-down menu that fits your story. Once everything looks good, hit generate. And if you're happy with the result, download the voiceover file next. Go back to CapCut and upload the voiceover. Sync it with the visuals to make sure everything matches perfectly. If you want to make the video even more engaging for viewers, CapCut allows you to easily add captions. This is great for accessibility and helps keep viewers hooked. Finally, once your video is complete, it's time to export it. Select a resolution. 1080p is ideal for platforms like YouTube. Then hit export, and just like that, your animated story video is ready to share with the world. 5.27 分. And there it is, your very own, fully animated kids story, created from nothing but an idea and a few free tools. You've taken words on a page, transformed them into colorful scenes, breathed life into them with animation, and woven it all into a story that children can watch, enjoy, and remember. Just imagine. From here, you could build an entire library of stories, share them with the world, inspire young minds, and even grow a channel or a brand around your creations. The possibilities are endless, and they all start with you taking this very first step. If this video sparked your imagination, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below telling me what kind of story you'll create next. Thank you for watching. Now go, your next great story is waiting to be told.